up, guys? So I'm not driving, but we're in the car right now, and you would be probably wondering where we're going. We're going to Chamonix State Park for a picnic. Yeah, I guess it's kind of corny to go to a picnic, but it's gonna be just a friends, pretty much, just hanging out in the pool. So we're gonna have shots of, you know, us in the pool, us having fun, us chilling. We got my man Yaya over here. We got my other mans in the back. We got the other mans in the front. We got them in the back. So we rolling out, you know, deep. We rolling out deep over here. So I'll see you guys very soon. We playing out here. We got it. Are we doing it? Really? Alright, bet. Slow-mo. We still out here. Yeah. We're just chilling. Indopak picnic. Why does my face look? Oh my god, all this acne. Yo, I woke up today, I got all this acne in my face. Oh my god, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh yeah. We're out here cooking, we're out here cooking, we're out here cooking.
No, only put half.
Yeah, put cheese. I just put it right now.
We out here, we out here.
Yeah,
yo, yeah. Hey.
You gotta tell Mr. Frank today. Yeah, yo.
Yeah, yo.
What's up, dog?
I don't know why my dick is so fat. I got fat dick for no reason. And nobody to fuck with it. Like, I wanna fuck somebody's vagina.
Yo, hit him up out, hold up.
I like beautiful, beautiful juicy titties. Mom, if you're watching this, I love you.
Bro, how good is that shit? Oh. Yeah, that don't look good as shit.
Where at, bro?
Oh, shit.
God damn.
What are you doing, bro? Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Come on, come on, go, 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 go.
Those will still suck my dick. It was something about that rollie when it first touched my wrist. Had me feel like that dope boy when he first touched that brick. I'm gone.
What? Oh yeah, shit. Oh shit. Oh. We out here. We playing football. Yo guys. Yo guys, can you just like fuck him up in the comments? I'll like put his Instagram right here so you can just fucking comment. Fuck out of here, bro.